Alright, so we have this mess here that we want to simplify. And remember, your order of operations says to always do parentheses first, anything that's grouped. And what's actually grouped is all of this under the square root sign. Okay, so that's the very first thing you want to do, meaning that, I'm going to pin back going here, that I'm going to do 10 squared, which is 10 times 10, which is 100. I can go ahead and multiply all this out, so 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 times 9 is 72, all over, and I can go ahead and multiply the bottom, which is 2 times 3, which is 6. All right, and so now all I do is take negative 10 minus what's under the square root. Well, under the square root is 100 minus 72, which is 28, all over 6. Now what we want to do is we want to see if I can see if there's something under here that I can simplify. Well, I know that 28 is also 4 times 7. And if I take the square root of 4, that's 2. So I end up with 2 square roots of 7. Okay, so all I did was separate 28 into 4 times 7. And then I said, well, the square root of 4 is 2, so that comes outside and the 7 stays inside. So in other words, I have negative 10 minus 2 square root 7 over 6. Well, now that I have each piece here, I can divide out anything that's in common, and every one of these, the 10, the 2, and the 6, have in common a 2. So if I divide out 2 into negative 10, I get negative 5. That just becomes 1, or it just goes away, and that becomes 3. So I end up with negative 5 minus the square roots of 7 all over 3.